Here I am again with another diorama tip. So all the various and sundry diagrams on the wall there were put on there with magnets. And you say, well, I don't want to have to buy magnets. Well, how many of you get things in the mail or, usually in the mail, where it's an advertising magnet? Well, you can peel the thin magnet off and use double-sided tape and put it on things. And then when you're dealing with, ferrous metal, it'll stick right to it. And then it's real easy to take off, as illustrated by me doing that. Okay? So what I like about this is if you glue it on or tape it on, not only is it difficult to get off, but if you're off, it's a big hassle. Here, you can adjust it because it's just with magnets. So the revolution, of course, that Al Figures brought to pass with his magnetized walls, this is nowhere near that kind of breakthrough, and I'm sure people have done this. But again, I'm all about found objects and cheap things that are right there available. You don't really have to spend a dime. Just ask your friends, hey, do you have one of those refrigerator magnets, that the thin ones that come in the mail? And someone will probably say no, but someone will say yes. And then you say, can I have them? And they'll give you a kind of a quizzical look. And then you can explain to them. Then they'll be really shaking their head. So there's another tip, and I'm out.